Hi guys, this is a DIY mechanic. This is an Honda Accord, popularly known as EOD. The customer it's actually a small problem. The customer noticed that there are some times that when he tries to start the car, as I'm doing, the car doesn't start. Why unpack? It happens intermittently, not all the time. Sometimes it will start, sometimes it will not start. If he puts it, then if you have to put it on neutral before he can start the car. So he brought it in today, and it's actually a very, very small problem. So when he puts it in park, it doesn't start. I've actually fixed it, so I just wanted to show you guys what I did. So now it starts on park. If I off it, it's off now. If I put it, if I start it, it's starting. It's on park right now, and I can change it. It's changing. That's reverse, that's neutral, that's drive. Returning it back to park and offing it, and I'm starting it over again. It's starting. I've done that a couple of times. Let me just show you guys what I did that made this job a very easy fix for me. So all you need to do is to come. I removed the tire on the driver's side. You have the gear switch, which is here. It's here. So all I did was just to slacken this bolt here. It has 3 bolts actually. Slacken this one. Hope you guys can see it. This one here, and this one, and I'm not put this one back yet. So all you need to do is to put the gear. Let me show you. You put the gear on neutral. Here you put it on neutral. As I've done, placed it on neutral. If you look at it on the dashboard, it's showing red. It's on neutral. So you adjust it. Let's go back to the engine bay. All you do is to adjust it here, and what you just do is to you shift it front or backwards gently until the light comes on, and when it comes on, you tighten it here and here and here too. You go back into the car, go back into the car, you try to shift it. You can see it's entering all the gears. Return it back to park. It's working. I off it, and it's back on again. I've done that more than 5 times now, and that's not failed. So I believe I've done a good job. So I hope this helps someone out there. If you like this video, please like, please subscribe, so I can upload more videos. Thanks guys.